Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing for the under-seat storage container for the back seats. A company called ISSYAUTO sent me out a full back seat storage compartment, so let's go ahead and jump right into it and unbox it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Go ahead and cut this. This is a under-seat storage container. Store your tools, towels, gloves. It's fully water resistant, so I can do a water test on it. Pour some water. Open this up. Alright, so let's see what it looks like. Alright, so here we go. So you can actually carry it like a duffel bag almost. But underneath, you can see what we got. And here we go. So we have a lot of compartments right off the bat, and it has a little paper here. Let's kind of see what happens here. So you can put the dividers in right here to divide it all up, and then you can kind of carry it just like this. It's made out of nice foam material, and it does have this weatherproofing overlay. It's pretty water resistant. And there's a lot of compartments in this thing, so you have cubbies here, there, a lot of room. A little side storage compartment here for tools, over here as well. Let's check it out. Check it out. Didn't even notice, but more storage compartments here and here. So they're all around the side. There's little up linings out so it stands straight up. Let's have a little ISSYAUTO, so that's what they are. Link in the description, and there's also a discount code if you want to go ahead and purchase this. But let's go ahead and put it in the truck, see how it looks. All right, so now obviously these go inside this zipper part right here. So let's go ahead and do all that real quick. So now it looks really stable, secure. Nice little bag. This is the flap. Flapped over it like this. So let's go ahead and do a little quick water test. Show you what that looks like. We'll do a water test. Alright, so look. As you can see, it feeds right up. Super water resistant. Super dry inside. Not a single drop inside. So water resistant, rain resistant, weatherproofing, all of that. So there you go. So there is the final review, product review, and that is how it is all put together. And like I said, this thing folds over like that, and it is water resistant. And this is made out of full PVC material, which is this right here in the bottom. It's like a rubbery feeling. So let's go ahead and put this in the truck and strap it down, and it's gonna look pretty sweet. All right, so this is it right here. And this little piece can strap into this. And I'll go ahead and strap this up. It's down. The other side down. All right, here's the finished product right here. And here it is. ISSYAUTO, huge shout out and thank you for sending me out a nice set. And there it is, all strapped in. And like I said, let's go ahead and strap it to the frame of the seats. And there it is. Let's take a look at it from the front. All right, so there you guys go. So we have 1 compartment, 2, 3, 1 on the other side. So 4 on the outside and many in the middle. And made out of, like I said, full PVC material. It's water resistant, all of that. So if you have any questions, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday, 8 p.m. And if you're wondering if you want to go ahead and pick this up, ISSYAUTO, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description with a discount code so you guys can go ahead and purchase that. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.